My heart is cold as Wisconsin. Ice. Nigga, I'm smooth like Johnson. Lotion. You already know how I'm coming. I treat her like trash, so I dumped them. In them sheets, I am a monster. She be screaming like a concert. I point them out just like a hunter. They call you a G when you younger. My heart is cold as Wisconsin. Ice. Nigga, I'm smooth like Johnson. Lotion. You already know how I'm coming. I treat her like trash, so I dumped them. In them sheets, I am a monster. She be screaming like a concert. I point them out just like a hunter. They call you a G when you younger.
Everybody watching this video right now, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate it. Enjoy the video. Cari crew, what it do, man? It's your boy Cari Beats back with another POV. As y'all can see, man, as y'all can tell, it's nighttime, so that means we can have a nighttime drive, you feel me? But before I get into that, I just want to show y'all the outside. I know some of y'all like seeing the outside of the whip before the video get started, you know what I'm saying? So I just want to show y'all, for all the new people that are watching, this is Olivia, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? Scatpack with the stripes, you know what I'm saying? Carbon fiber stripes on that thing, man. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. So slick, man. I had to just show y'all the outside of the whip, man. And give y'all boys a remote start right quick. I don't really do remote starts like that. Y'all let me know if I should start doing remote starts on the channel, you know what I'm saying? If y'all like to see that. You know what I'm saying? Some slight. With the white lights, you know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy, Cari crew. Oh boy. Y'all let me know if y'all rocking with the, you know what I'm saying? Are y'all rocking with the nighttime POVs or not? Well, I know some of y'all are, but y'all want me to post more of these, you know what I'm saying? I can always record day and night, you know what I'm saying? You always do both. Always do both, man. But, yeah, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button, you know what I'm saying? If y'all new, hit that subscribe button and join the Cari crew, you feel me? But we finna get straight into it. Nothing too crazy. Wet outside, the ground wet. So, we're gonna go too crazy. We're gonna go a little custom, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know my favorite mode, custom mode, man. Favorite mode is custom mode, you feel me? But we finna get straight to it. You know what I'm saying? I'm just going off the dome right now. Don't mind me. I'm just going off the dome right now. Trying to figure out what I'm gonna do and where I'm gonna go. You know what I'm saying? But y'all just make sure y'all, you know what I'm saying, continue liking the video, man. Subscribing, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all boy, turn your boy up, man. We done passed 10K. We on to the next. On to the next one, you know what I'm saying? I see we got the performance pages up, you know what I'm saying? Something different. It feels a whole lot darker outside. For some reason, looking through the car. My lights are on though, you know what I'm saying? Oh man. But yeah, Cari crew, just finna do a little, you know what I'm saying? Nighttime crew, man. Just a little slight little crew, man, around the streets, man. Just want to get y'all boy, you know what I'm saying, tap in, get a video with y'all boy, man. Y'all know I like recording, you feel me? Try to do it, you know what I'm saying, try to be consistent, stay consistent. I will be consistent anyway, but you know, like, I just love doing the YouTube stuff, I ain't gonna lie, y'all, man. So y'all just rock with your boy and keep supporting your boy, man. I'm trying to, you know what I'm saying, get bigger and bigger into where I can, like, go so crazy with this, bro. I can put all my time into it, you know what I'm saying? I can put all my time into a Cari crew. And when I do that, y'all boys are gonna be like, man, that boy Cari going crazy. But you know, man, it's so slight, man. I see a lot of y'all last video, man. A lot of y'all commenting and liking the video. I appreciate that, bro. Y'all keep liking to get every video to 100 likes, bro. You know what I'm saying? We at 10K now. It's time to get them big boy numbers. You know what I'm saying? Time to get them big boy numbers, Cari crew. Put my key down. Key trying to fall in my pocket in some motion. But yeah, man. Yeah, boy, a little down shit. light, man. It feel good outside, though, you know what I'm saying? I gotta get some better lights in here, bro. I'm gonna get y'all boy right, though, you know what I'm saying? Y'all keep liking the video, you know what I'm saying? Keep subscribing, we'll be able to get lights and all that, you know what I'm saying? Get lights on the inside, the trim interior lights like y'all want. Cause I want them too, ain't gonna lie. I'm hard, and they gonna look good for times like this. You know what I'm saying? But we gotta do what we gotta do. I could ride like this, but it kind of feel crazy. Y'all let me know if y'all rather the light on like this or the light off. You know what I'm saying? And then if enough of y'all say yeah or no, then I'll just keep it. You know what I'm saying? Keep it how it is. Y'all just let me know, man. It's just some calm little video, man. You know, just nighttime POV, you feel me? It's therapeutic for me, man, so why not record while I'm doing it? Because I'm going to do it anyway. So why not? I got to hit them pops. Ooh, if I wanted to get wicked, I would. Sunshine. Just a little something, you know what I mean? I don't think I ever did stick them at nighttime. I don't know. Have I? I don't know if I have, Car Crew, but y'all know that's my thing, man. I gotta do that at least one time a video, bro. Either at the end or just during the video. But I'm gonna have to do it at the end of every video, you know what I'm saying? Oh, damn, shit's crazy. Stick 'em! Ooh, a little swirly for the sticker, you know what I mean? Got a little swirly on there. A little swirly, alright. Stick 'em. Stick 'em. Baby stick 'em. Alright. A little something slight, man. Just, you know what I'm saying? Little slight, little groove, y'all boy at nighttime, man. Y'all let me know how y'all like the nighttime vibe, man. I know it's dark, you feel me? But hey, you know what I'm saying? It can get better once I get the lights and all that. But I'm staying consistent. Y'all respect the grind, you feel me? Respect the grind, you know what I'm saying? I wasn't able to do it during the day. So y'all got y'all boy at night, you know what I'm saying? Just something smooth, Car Crew, bro. It really just like off the dome. Like, I don't really know what too much to talk about. Every POV I ain't gonna have nothing to talk about, like specifically. It's just like a vlog. You turn the camera on and you go from there. You feel me? See what happens. You know what I'm saying? But again, man, I thank you, all my new supporters. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate every last one of y'all, man. I can't say that enough. I cannot say that enough, Car Crew. I appreciate all y'all boys for getting your boy to 10K. And all y'all that got here before the 10K and after. They keep it going, you know what I'm saying? 11K on the way, you feel me? 15K is the next milestone, man. 15K. 15K is that next milestone, man. You know what I'm saying? I know a lot of people say 20, but I'm gonna go to 15, you know what I'm saying? We gotta break it down. You gotta break it down. 20K seems like a good little bit away, I ain't gonna lie. But 15K sound a little bit better, you know what I'm saying? 15K sound a little bit better. I hit on pops. I can tell me Olivia don't sound great, man. Tell me she don't sound lovely, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, I wish y'all could hear the pops, bro. I gotta get a GoPro, man, put on the outside, bro. That's another thing I'm trying to work on too, man, Car Crew. Y'all keep liking the video and, you know what I'm saying, get your boy in that algorithm, man. Cause bro, that next camera setup I'm gonna get for like the car vids, bro, gonna be crazy. Yeah, a lot of people got their camera setup, but when I get it though, it's different. Niggas use it for one thing, but nigga, I'm finna be like, nigga be like, I ain't never think about using it for that. Like, watch how folks just take my salt, man. Just what? Folks was already taking my sauce, you know what I'm saying, with the drifting every turn. But I ain't really taking my sauce. Therefore, you know what I'm saying, I'm spreading love for everybody, you know what I'm saying? And we all out here trying to get the ideas rolling, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. Y'all boys just stay tuned. I'm telling you, bro, when I get that, man, when I had that other setup going, y'all gonna be like, oh, boy, you snap with this one. Instagram videos and all, like, just watch. Look at this Tesla. It's a Tesla right here. I think I should try that. It is wet outside. And it is a Tesla. What you wanna do? What you wanna do? Trying to do nothing, Cari crew, man. They ain't trying to do nothing. They ain't trying to do nothing. But yeah, man. Like I was saying though, bro, like, bro, just watch Cari crew. I'm telling y'all, bro, man. Just, and that GoPro footage gonna be so crazy. Drifting every turn with that. Ooh-wee. They ain't gonna be never done before, never seen before, Cari crew. Just watch. I'm telling you, just watch. Just watch, bro. But, you know what I'm saying? Quick little nighttime POV. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy, man. Look at this Tesla still. What you wanna do, man? What you wanna do now? I don't wanna do nothing. They ain't talking about nothing, Cari. They ain't talking about nothing. They be riding in silence, you know what I'm saying? They be riding in silence. Tesla's made for folks who don't like noise or who just antisocial, you know what I'm saying? Wanna be by themselves, sound lonely, be lonely, you know what I'm saying? But, yeah, man, like I was saying, though, y'all just stay tuned, bro. Keep the channel going, keep the energy up, man. I appreciate all the support and love I've been getting, man. I appreciate y'all, boy, Cari crew. Appreciate your Cari crew for sure, man. But, the video probably gonna be about over with. Gonna hit y'all, boy, with a little stick-a-mick-em, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if I want to wait on this light or just make a U-turn. Is that a scat? No, that ain't no scat. I was gonna say, I have to get on his ass. I'm just gonna make a U-turn, bro. I should have hit this bitch, shouldn't I? I ain't gonna do it. But yeah, man. Stick 'em. That's a little light sticker. You know what I'm saying? That's a little light little sticker, man. But make sure y'all, you know what I'm saying, y'all boy, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new, turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy. And like I also say, man, at the end of my video, you got a goal you're trying to achieve, any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone. Do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit, and you can touch a Cari crew. And like I always say, man, for all my religious folk, keep God first, keep him in the mix, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? And stay prayed up, man, and just try to break no bad habits and don't feel like, you know what I'm saying, the world is coming to an end just because, you know, you got issues, you know what I'm saying, and you feel like you can't overcome them. You will, bro. You gotta dig deep and find different ways and different routes. Switch it up, you know what I'm saying? Try different approaches with life and things of that nature, you know what I'm saying? But also, man, like I said on the end of my videos, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.